Tupiro International Technology, Luoyang Company Limited, is a specialized and full-service supplier deeply rooted in the global metal melting and processing industry. Headquartered in Luoyang City, renowned as China's strategic industrial technology cluster, with a century-long heritage of metallurgical innovation. Compared to other smelting equipment, the core advantages of our induction furnaces are high melting efficiency, low energy consumption, excellent temperature uniformity and suitability for medium to large-scale batch production. As a mainstream equipment in the industrial metal smelting field, it is widely used in the large-scale melting, refining, and casting of ferrous and non-ferrous metals, covering key industries ranging from traditional manufacturing to new energy sectors. Affiliated Factory has built a comprehensive operational system that integrates independent research and development, precision manufacturing, strict quality inspection, and flexible after-sales support. Can tailor-make dedicated matching equipment to achieve seamless integration based on the actual operation of the client's existing production line, thereby improving efficiency and ensuring stable output. Over the years, we have undertaken various ODM orders from both domestic and international clients, covering scenarios from automotive to aerospace part manufacturing. During the period, we have continuously optimized equipment configurations and obtained multiple patent certificates, which fully demonstrate our technical capabilities. Tupiro sincerely welcomes inquiries from every customer and distributor. We will provide customers with stable and energy-efficient equipment, timely and professional services, as well as competitive product support and cooperative policies for distributors. Whether you need to learn about equipment details, customized production solutions, or discuss collaboration models, you can always contact us.